Screencast number 8, a short one dealing with carbohydrates versus lipids. It's an application. It is slide 90 of the PowerPoint. And the application reads, lipids are more soluble for long-term energy storage in humans than carbohydrates. And so for that, we created your standard lipid versus your standard T-chart. So you see up on top, carbohydrates short-term energy, lipids long-term energy. All right. The second line here is called osmolality. Lipids have less of an effect on osmotic pressure than do carbohydrates. Translation at this point, lipids are not going to have water move around your cells more than carbohydrates will, carbohydrates and salts. So carbohydrates will cause osmosis, lipids less of an effect. Carbohydrates much, much easier to digest, lipids less. So if you are sick and really can't digest well, you get an IV with glucose in it. However, if you're going to run the marathon tomorrow, you have a big plate of pasta or 3 or 4. So you store that energy for the race day. How about ATP yield, which goes to number 3 there? Lipids store more energy per gram than carbohydrates, 4,000 kilojoules per 100 grams to 1760 per 100 grams. All right, more to less ATP yield there. So lipids are much harder to move around in your body. They're not soluble in water. They are transferred around your body by lipoproteins. At least some of them are soluble, easy to transport carbohydrates right through the blood, dissolvable in there. So then in the end, if you take a look there, if ATP is the money in your cell, here's a little analogy for you. Your carbohydrates would be your wallet. Your lipids would be your safe. That's the way to put the money in it. You figure out that analogy. Cut, signing off.